And we are back at Just Wing It. And we have Brent Hecht Speed. And he's putting some speed into this. Now, what is this, Brent?
It's a Great Planes. It's just a 40 size Sport Corsair. It's an old kit they used to sell back in the 90s.
Okay. So kit built.
Yeah, kit built. I bought it brand new in the box about 6 months ago.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, someone had a kit. I put a wanted ad on our RC groups, and somebody had one. I think I picked it up for 120 bucks.
Oh,
shipped.
man.
I'd always wanted one of these when I was a kid. But my dad always said, "Oh, you don't want one of these. It's got the kink wing and the sides are flat and it's not very scaled."
Yeah.
And you could put retracts in it, you know.
Sure.
There's no room in the wing.
Yeah, more or less sports scale, right?
Right. So I never got one, and then I got that Great Planes Zero, which I really enjoyed. I'm like, man, it'd be really cool to have a Corsair and a Zero and fly them together.
That's right.
So I found this kit, and I figured out how to fit retracts in it. These are free wing A4 retracts.
Oh, no way.
And then these are free wing Eurofighter struts.
Oh, jeez.
And I was able to fit them in the wing.
Okay.
Without too much problem. It took a little bit of custom. I had to do some grinding on the actual bodies themselves.
Yeah. But they work.
Yeah, they work. They kind of stick out a little bit, but not bad.
Hey, it works.
Yep. So it's a great flying little plane.
All right.
Really enjoy it.
We'll watch you. We'll follow along while you fly this thing. All right, so you prime the motor, and that's all there is to it. Wow. Away we go. Awesome. And what's the wingspan on this again? I'm sorry.
It's like 56.
56-inch wingspan. Okay.
Weighs about 6.5, 7 pounds.
Oh, okay. 6.5, 7 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous plane. Corsairs look so cool when they roll. Because of those gold wings. Well, she scoots right along. Is this bigger than recommended motor?
Not really. They actually recommend up to a 74-stroke.
Huh.
This is an old OS 61 4-stroke.
Okay. OS 61.
Probably from like the early 90s or late 80s.
Okay.
It's one of the original OS 4-strokes.
So actually really kind of scale for the airplane, I guess, huh? Period correct, you want to call it. Yeah. Yeah. Here we are with Brent's throwback Corsair. I love it, actually. It really is.
So me and my friends dogfight this against the Great Planes Zero that I have.
Oh.
And we just have a blast. It's so much fun. Takes each other around for 10, 12 minutes straight.
Oh yeah.
Open.
Now the Zero is about the same scale, right?
It's about the same size. It has a little bit smaller motor in it, but it's also lighter. So it's actually a pretty fair comparison. It's kind of interesting. When you fly this against the Zero,
right,
they share the same attributes that the real one shared.
Okay.
And so the Corsair is a little bit faster.
Yep.
A little bit better climb rate, but it's also heavier and it doesn't turn as tight.
Oh.
So the Zero is a little less powerful.
Yeah.
A little bit slower, but man, you can
really
crank on that sucker.
All right.
It's fun to have battles because
yeah,
it's fairly realistic. We just have a lot of fun.
Sure. Well,
each other around.
Oh yeah. Well, that's the joy of the hobby right there.
It's fun unless you're sharing it with someone. Had a 52 four-stroke in this. It feels pretty good.
Yeah.
But it needs a little more resist to it, so I found this on RC Groups for like $50 or something.
Okay.
I had to kind of go through and rebuild it all because it didn't have any compression.
Sure.
I had to change the bearings because they were all rusty.
Oh wow, so you changed the bearings and everything, huh?
It still leaks some fuel out the front of the motor, but other than that, it runs great.
Sounds like it. It really does.
It's just a lot of fun. It lands a little hot because there's no flaps.
Oh, okay.
But it's not bad.
Not bad.
It's a little heavier than it was intended to be because of the gear and stuff.
Sure. Oh, it just doesn't get any better than that now, does it? Gee whiz. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, she's actually a nice looking bird for a sports scale. She really is.
You know, in the air you can't tell the difference. And,
No.
It looks awesome in the air, so.
It does. It's a good looking plane. It really is. Nice. Well, Brent, thank you for letting me spend some time with you and your Great Planes Corsair, huh?
Thank you.
Outstanding. All right. Throwback Corsair from the 90s, engine from the late 80s. Brent Hecht. We're in Tehachapi, California. Blue skies and happy landings, everyone.